Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to you in English class. I am your teacher Ms. Sumaira Muhammad Yunus. In this class I will try to recap my previous 2 lectures for the students who have been recently added in the group. In the first class I gave you my introduction and your book introduction. While in the second class I defined grammar and tenses, as well as we studied tenses chart to learn tenses in easy way. With the help of tenses chart, which is given on slide 3, we learn tenses by learning 2 things. Number 1, form of verb, and number 2, helping verb of every tense, by using main formula of every tense, which is subject, verb and object. Some of the students practiced, but some of the students did not practice. Therefore, in this class we are going to practice all the tenses once again with the help of tenses chart, so that all the students may avail this chance. This is the tenses chart, which is showing form of verb and helping verb of every tense, which are very important to make formula of every tense. There are 3 tenses: present, past and future, as well as their conditions: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. You can make formulae of all the tenses easily, and you can identify all tenses if you have learned form of verb and helping verb of every tense from the tenses chart. As we know that main formula of every tense is subject, verb and object. You can see on the slide written in green color. If we make some changes in the verb and we put helping verb before the verb, we can make formula of every tense. For example, अगर मैं future indefinite tense का formula बनाना चाहती हूँ, so this is not difficult, this is easy. I should know 2 things: form of verb and helping verb of future indefinite tense. As you see on the slide, I have made for you. Let's move towards practice. Today you will be assigned 3 short homeworks. Homework 1, name the given tenses. There are some sentences written on the slide. You have to tell their names. Homework 2, translate into English. मैं सुबह 6 बजे सोकर उठती हूँ, हम कल लाहौर जाएंगे, तुम हर रोज़ क्रिकेट खेलते हो, सलीम कोशिश कर रहा है, अम्मी ने हमारे लिए बिरयानी बनाई है. Homework 3, provide adjective of the given words: wisdom, forgiveness, generosity, strength and unity. These are the words you have to tell their adjectives. You have to submit this homework today in timing of 8 to 9 p.m. Inshallah, I will check your homework and comment about it. Till then, Allah Hafiz.